Need to set up your HP printer on Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install the HP Smart App, connect your printer, and start printing in just a few minutes. First, open the Microsoft Store from your Windows 11 Start menu. Search for HP Smart and click Install. Wait for the download to finish, then launch the app. Once the app opens, sign in with your HP account. If you don't have one, creating a free account only takes a minute and gives you access to printing, scanning, and printer management. Now select Add Printer. Make sure your printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Windows 11 computer. HP Smart will automatically search for nearby printers. When your printer appears, click it and follow the setup instructions. After setup is complete, you'll be able to print documents, scan photos, check printer status, and even monitor ink levels directly from the HP Smart App. If your printer isn't detected, verify that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart your printer and computer, then reopen the HP Smart App and try again. And that's it! Your HP printer is now ready to use with Windows 11. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe. Check out our channel for more printer tips and troubleshooting tutorials.